All right, we are looking at number 24 on the final exam review packet. Talking about matrices. Add the two matrices if possible. Well, to add two matrices or subtract, you have to have the same dimensions. Luckily, B and C have the same dimensions. We have a 2 by 3 and a 2 by 3. So to add the matrices, if possible, yes, it is possible, and here's how you do it. 2 by 3 plus another 2 by 3 will still stay a 2 by 3. And it will be, you add each element with its corresponding element. So 3 plus 5 gives you 8. Negative 3 plus 4 gives you 1. 7 plus negative 7 is 0. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0. 5 plus negative 2 is 3. 0 plus 0 is 0. There's your answer to adding the matrices. Subtracting is the same way, except for you subtract each element. So 3 minus 5 is negative 2. Negative 3 minus 4 is negative 7. 7 minus a negative 7 is positive 14. Negative 2 minus 2 is negative 4. 5 minus a negative 2 is 5 plus 2, which is 7. And 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay, multiply the two matrices if possible. I'm going to show you how to do this on your calculator because it's easier this way. Second matrix, go over to edit. This is a 2 by 3 matrix, so make it say 2 by 3. We're going to fill in our numbers, so we have 3, negative 3, 7, negative 2, 5, and 0. Then I'm going to push second quit, and I'm going to go back into matrix and put a different matrix, this matrix, in for matrix B. So go over to edit. Whoops, I went back to A. So second matrix, edit, down to B. And this is also a 2 by 3, but this time it's 5, 4, negative 7, 2, negative 2, and 0. So now that our matrices are into the calculator, we want to multiply them. So matrix A times matrix B, enter, dimension mismatch. Okay, why did we get dimension mismatch? Well, for you to be able to multiply two matrices, the middle dimensions must match. And since 3 and 2 do not match, it is not possible to multiply these matrices. And it is also not possible to divide two matrices. So remember, we can only multiply if the inner dimensions match. So make sure to add and subtract, they have to be the same, but to multiply, the inner dimensions must